Hi! In front of me is the LENOVO TAB M9 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Following that, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit, in my case my Netflix one, and enter your current login method. Following that, just tap on Edit button, make your changes, and hit save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!